Hi, my name is Agathe and I am the project coordinator for Miracle Dream Homes. I'm originally from British Columbia and I moved to Ottawa in 2013. Home renovations became a passion for me and I work with the most incredible group of people. We all love and support each other in so many ways and take pride in our work and in our business. Everyone puts in 110% every day and it is an inspiration to work with. Generally, I'm the first person you speak to on the phone and you'll see my friendly face coming to do the measures for your home renovation projects. I'm a mom to an amazing little girl who reminds me how lucky and blessed I am every day. I have a long-standing love for motorcycles and horses and I do try to get out whenever I can in my free time. I have embraced the cold and snow in Ontario and do try to get out into nature at any time. Working with Miracle Dream Homes has given me a freedom in my life that I never thought possible, and plans for the future are big. Je peux vous aider en français aussi car je suis bilingue.